This video is brought to you by my supporters on Patreon. Hi guys, I'm here with a new video showing you how I created the socks and gloves for my Ahri costume. I'm starting off with the socks. These pieces, I have to make this one a little bit longer because it doesn't line up exactly in length. Like I need to bump it down like an inch or two. Simply because I had to cut these darts out for like the knee to count for the knee length. So once I've figured that out, I go ahead and tack down the patterns and then cut it out on the fabric that I will be using. And on the knee part, I don't actually like cut those darts out. That was just to make sure that I made it slightly longer than I needed it to be, since when you bend down, socks tend to get pulled down and I didn't want that to happen. I've pinned this weird top part of the foot to the bottom of the front side of the sock on both of them, and I'm going to sew that down. So I've sewed the stockings together like this. Both sides of the stockings are together. The top of the foot is sewed onto the bottom of the stocking, and I sewed the remaining pieces together at where the heel is. I mean, it's kind of off-centered, but it's fine. So now all I'm gonna do is take, how there's this opening here, is take this opening and sew it closed. And there we go, and then we'll be sewed closed. And then we'll just need to attach the bottom of the foot next. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and sew this shut. Alright guys, so I have sewn the foot part onto the stocking. Oh, let's see if I can show this better. A little bit. This isn't a foot. This is obviously my hand. So this is the foot part, top of the foot. The stocking's all sewn together. Now I've just got to create bias tape out of the pink materials, because she has a pink strip and then a gold strip at the top of both her stocking and her gloves. So what I've done here is I've taken my pink material and my ruler and I measured out 1.5 inches, because this bias strip, it's not the same thickness, so this bias strip is 1 inch, but because I'm going to lay this one underneath this, I needed to have like 1/4 of an inch on either side to overlap it. I'm working on the gloves now. For the gloves, I'm just pinning right down the sides. Then I sew down those sides and try it on, because I did make it a bit bigger than I needed it to be, and I knew that just because I was afraid of making it too tight, because I have a bad habit of doing that. So once I try it on, I make a note of how much I need to take it in and then re-sew that again. Once those are sewn together, I'm taking the pink and gold bias tape from earlier and pinning those into place before sewing them down. So I'm putting the gold on first and then going ahead and slipping the pink bias tape just underneath that along the top part of the gloves, and for the bottom part of the gloves is just gold bias tape. There is no pink. And the last thing I do to finish off this cosplay, which I didn't get footage of, was glue the stars onto the gloves and the socks in the places they go, and I just use super glue to glue them on. And then that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful, stick around for future videos, and have a lovely day. Bye!